Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Salesforce data using data loader exports, detailed guide step by step clearly. To restore Salesforce data using data loader exports, begin by ensuring you have the data loader application installed on your computer. Launch the data loader application and log in using your Salesforce credentials. Once logged in, select the insert operation from the main menu. Choose the object you want to restore data for from the list provided. Next, click on the Browse button to locate your CSV file that contains the exported data. After selecting the file, click on Next to continue. On the next screen, you'll need to map CSV columns to the Salesforce fields. Ensure that each column in your CSV is properly matched to the corresponding Salesforce fields. Once mapping is complete, click Next to review your settings. Confirm that all settings are correct before proceeding. Click on the Finish button to start the data restoration process. Monitor the progress window for any errors that may occur during the import. Once the process is complete, review the success and error files generated by Data Loader. The success file will show records that were restored successfully, while the error file will provide details on any problematic records. If there are errors, take necessary actions to correct the CSV file. Finally, rerun the restore process as needed, following the same steps. This completes the process of restoring Salesforce data using data loader exports. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmations. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.